Why does bread have small holes inside? One sunny morning, Mia was helping her mom bake bread and noticed something interesting.
Hi Yeasty. Why does bread have these small holes inside?
Great question, Mia. Let me explain the magic behind it.
Yeasty began by explaining what the holes in bread are.
Air bubbles? How do they get inside the bread?
Those holes are called air bubbles. They make the bread soft and fluffy.
Yeasty explained the important role yeast plays in baking.
I'm yeast, and I help the bread rise by creating air bubbles.
So, you make the bread bigger and softer?
Yeasty shared how yeast works to create bubbles.
I eat the sugar in the dough and produce carbon dioxide gas. That gas forms bubbles.
That's like tiny balloons inside the bread.
Yeasty explained how the dough rises.
As the bubbles form, they lift the dough, making it rise and expand.
So the dough gets bigger because of the bubbles you make.
Yeasty talked about what happens when the dough is baked.
When the dough goes into the oven, the heat makes the bubbles expand even more.
That's why bread becomes so fluffy and delicious.
Yeasty explained how the bread cools and sets.
After baking, the bread cools down and the bubbles stay in place, creating those lovely holes.
So, the holes stay even after the bread is done?
Yeasty shared how different breads have different bubble patterns.
Different recipes and techniques create different sizes and shapes of bubbles in the bread.
That's why some bread is more airy and others are denser.
Yeasty shared an interesting fun fact about bread.
Did you know that sourdough bread uses wild yeast, which creates even more unique bubble patterns?
That's amazing! Sourdough must taste extra special.
Yeasty gave tips on making fluffy bread.
To make fluffy bread, give the dough enough time to rise and use the right amount of yeast.
I'll remember that next time I bake with my mom.
The largest loaf of bread ever made weighed over 1,000 pounds. Bread, sparkles,